Hey there, so in this video we want to learn how to sign up for Lovable correctly. Before we start, really important, you will find my partner link down here in the video description and it will allow you to sign up for free for Lovable. So just click on it and it will bring you to this page, and here you can start typing in your idea for your app or for your website. But I would recommend that you sign up first, because then here you have the microphone icon and then you can start speaking to the AI. So therefore simply click on get started, and now you can sign up with Google, GitHub, or your Apple ID, or you can simply type in your email, give it a password, and then you can click continue. I will do so really quickly and we see us on the next screen. So once you have signed up with your, for example, Google account, then you will see a couple of questions. For example, pick your style. Do you want a light mode or a dark mode? I'm a fan of light mode. And now you can type in your name, Julian Weber, and which role fits you best, founder, product, designer. I would say founder, and click next. How many people work at your company? I'm a solopreneur. And now you are already inside Lovable. And here you can start creating your app or your idea. So therefore just type in what you want to build, or you can click on the microphone icon and start talking to the AI. Therefore you just have to allow it up here, and then you can start talking to the AI. Just click on the microphone icon and now you can describe your app idea and it will automatically transcribe what you just have said, and you can just jump in and make a correction or type in another sentence. If you don't have any idea yet, you can also choose one of these Lovable templates. For example, here you have different website templates or app ideas. Just browse through them and then you can choose one and start building on top of these templates. And yeah, down here you see your account and you see your profile, your settings, and you can also sign out here. And if you want to learn more about Lovable now, you can watch my tutorial here. I hope this video has helped to learn how to sign up for Lovable. Thanks a lot, and don't forget, you can sign up via my link down below and you can start using Lovable for free. So see you in the next video. Bye.